Come on, Royals. I'm going on a walk. So I've been hearing that this trail is closed, but apparently it's open. Bearwallow Mountain. Come on. Go. Beautiful day today. Bearwallow Mountain seems to be open. It is the 30th of April. I just saw a cleaning crew at the beginning of the trailhead trimming down some trees. So hopefully a lot of trails will be opening. I know there were a lot of closures during the hurricane, after the hurricane. So it looks kind of promising. Everything getting back to normal. Moose. Else. Good job. Good job. The perks of having them on a harness, when I go up the stairs, they usually pull. Come on. Moose is pulling big time. He's so excited. And this is his first hike with no muzzle. So he's getting to touch everything and he just wants more and more. Come on, Royals, come on. Oh, oh. Good jobs. Come on. Only 20 minutes deep and almost at the top. Come on, babies. We can go the long way, or we can do a shortcut and get straight to the hills. Both are pretty short. Come on, babies. Pull me up. Pull me up. Ooh. Here it is. Definitely a better idea to come out here in the morning. This is now about 12 o'clock, 11:30. Beautiful views though. Oh babies, let's go. Let's go. Great spot for dogs, great spot to get out for a picnic. Just watch out for all the cow mines. But beautiful area. Always love this mountain. It's only like a mile hike up. and you get to the top, especially this time of the week, nobody's here. You can just whip out a blanket, have a picnic, and enjoy it. So clearly cows get out here, but not this time again. Let's go, bud. Come on. Come on, go, go, go. Well, let's go on the grass a little bit. Come on, babies. This way. This way. This way. Yeah. There we go. Come on. Beautiful views. I've never gone there. I might go there, check it out. I'm going to check out that big boulder, see what that's all about. Come on. Come on. We're out here on the top of the mountain. That is the peak where all the like electric towers are. So you start over there at the bottom of the hill. That's the trailhead. Kind of climb up, and this is Bearwallow Mountain, this whole thing right here. Then right past these towers, you go into Little Bearwallow and Wildcat Trail. And you can start from the Wildcat side as well. But once you get to the top here, with all the electric towers and stuff, make a right and go a little bit downhill. Plenty of these boulders, great spot for a picnic, great spot to chill out. We're about 42 minutes deep. It is 11:50. We're gonna go to the best view on the mountain. If you go all the way to Little Bearwallow, which I will go one day, I think I've gone there in another video. There's a nice valley there and beautiful views as well. We're gonna go around. More boulders here. Let's go check those out. Lots of these boulders where you can just post up and chill out. On top. Good girls. Good. On top, on top, on top. Going back on top. Back to the tops. Gonna go around. Right here, baby. Right over here. Come on. Going. Up, up. Good job, right here. Right here. Come on. We're out here on top of the mountain. Beautiful views. This is the best view from the big Bearwallow Mountain. These are all the towers that I was just behind. It's here. Got the babies right here. Exhausted but excited. Moose. Riley, come here. Where else? This wants all the scratches right now. Good boy. Alright, good boy. You guys ready to go? We're gonna take this path now that turns to the stone path. Here it is. They're laying some of it down here. Come here, buddy. Some pretty big stones too. They probably just chipped them off these boulders that lay around here. Great idea though. Moose, come here, bud. going on the trail. Right here. Right here. How's it going? Come on. Good job. Come on. Let's go. Move. Good baby. Riley is always so curious to look back. Moose is just like, whatever. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. What's next? What's next? What's next? He's got such a herding dog mentality. Just get to the next task. Oh boy, come on. Up. Riley, let's go. Come on, go to. Hold on 1 second. Go ahead.
No.
Move. Whew. And just like that, we did Bearwallow Mountain. All right, and we're all done. Come on, up, up. Easy.